Watching your hair thin feels like watching a part of yourself fade, and it's not just hair when it affects how you see yourself. Your hair shouldn't be the source of your stress. You are tired, you are frustrated, you just want your hair back. Let's rebuild your hair strand by strand. If your hair has been snapping or coming out in clumps every wash day, this is your sign to stop struggling and start pre-treating your hair the right way. Also, if your toddler is experiencing balding in the back of their head, breakage, slow growth, psoriasis on the scalp, dandruff, you need this hair growth tea. This treatment is also for men and women who's battling with thinning edges, bald spots, or scalp irritation. This is your sign that restoration is possible. It's not just about hair, it's about healing what broke you. This herbal tea is perfect for use 2 to 3 times a week. Also on protective styles, postpartum shedding, this lightweight herbal tea is your go-to for healthier, thicker hair without heavy oils or build-up. Strengthens weak, fragile strands or reduces breakage. Stimulates follicles for faster, thicker growth. Soothes itchy, dry scalp and improves circulation. This potent herbal hair tea is safe for all hair types and also to be used in protective styles. This herbal tea will revive your dull, lifeless hair. It will thicken your hair and add volume, just as you can see on your screen. It will soothe scalp inflammation, promotes faster, healthier hair growth, reduces shedding and breakage, rich in antioxidants for stronger hair. If you've ever tried using DIY and it's not working for you, I suggest that you remain consistent. Consistency is key. Even in skincare, even if you're trying to lose weight, it takes time for you to lose weight and it takes time for you to see results on your skin. So you don't just want to use a product just once and then you jump into conclusion that is not working. So let's try this recipe. If you have these ingredients, grab a jar, make sure it is clean, and the first ingredient is my lemongrass in 1 tablespoon. Guys, you can use the fresh ones if that's what you have. My next ingredient is neem. These are neem leaves. If you don't have these in its whole, like if you don't have the leaves, you have the powder, please go on ahead to use it. I'm using the leaves in 1 tablespoon. These ingredients might look bigger than 1 tablespoon as seen in my plate, but disregard that. Is actually 1 tablespoon. I measure them before shooting this video. So my third ingredient is green tea leaves. This is the original green tea. So there are other ones, I know there are other ones, other types, but this one is perfect. If you're trying to get green tea leaves, please get this type. Also in 1 tablespoon. All the ingredients used in this video, they are loaded and I'm very sure your hair is going to love them, and also they are going to be potent to grow your hair very long and thick. Our last ingredient is black tea. If you don't have black tea like so, please go on ahead to use your Lipton tea bags. You can as well tear it up and pour out the tea inside. Just measure out 1 tablespoon worth of the black tea. And then black tea and green tea, they are not the same. Please take note. You can even see on the video that they are different. Green tea is green and then black tea is a bit brown or coffee brown, so to say. Transfer all the ingredients in the jar and then boil up some water to 100 degrees Celsius. Pour about 500 ml worth of the hot water. Remember, all our ingredients are measured in 1 tablespoon each, especially if you're making my batch size. So my batch size is 500 ml worth. So take note, they are measured in 1 tablespoon to 500 ml worth of water. You can double the ingredients if you're making a larger batch. So stir everything vigorously and steep for 8 to 12 hours. As you can see, I left them on my kitchen tabletop, so you don't have to do much here. So after 12 hours, strain. Please do not allow this to ferment. Do not allow it to stay up to 24 hours, because after 12 hours it starts its fermentation process, so you don't want that. Protein is going to be introduced in your herbal tea if you allow it to ferment, and you don't want to run into protein overload. It becomes a problem when your hair is loaded with protein, so you do not want that. So 12 hours is perfect. I see some of you steeping yours for more than 12 hours. Some say 24 hours, some say 3 days. Come on, I don't know where you're getting that from. So drop your drop your favorite essential oil in 5 drops. If you're making my batch, just 5 drops is perfect for this 500 ml worth of product. So if you have peppermint essential oil, tea tree essential oil, I always recommend these 2 essential oil. So you can get any of those and drop in 5 drops. And if you want this to have some fragrance, you can add lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil smells amazing and is very great. Is a very great fragrance, if you ask me. So this is our herbal tea. All I do is to spray it and leave it in my hair. Yes, you can leave this in your hair, but you have to follow up with a leave-in conditioner, and then you seal with your hair grease or hair butter. I recommend hair grease. Yes, I sell products on www.nyerehaircare.com. Please, you can patronize me if you want already made herbal hairspray, if you want already made herbs that you can steep in your hot water in form of tea bags. Please go on my website. We have deep conditioner, we have leave-in conditioner, and as a natural girl, you don't just depend on herbal tea, oils and butters. You also need something that can nourish your hair. You need detanglers, you need deep conditioner, you need protein treatment. All these products are on my website. We also have kids products there, so I'm going to leave my website on the screen for you, just so you want to patronize your girl. So leave this in and then follow up with your leave-in conditioner and sealant, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on my next one shortly. Bye.